Hey Forex traders, welcome back to the Forex Muse. Today we're diving into something powerful, a mindset that can transform your trading journey. It's all about saying, I'll make it happen, no matter what. That's the attitude you need to crush your goals in Forex trading. But here's the thing, it's not just about thinking it, it's about living it. So let's break it down and talk about what it really takes to make success happen. First off, let's get real. Forex trading is tough. The markets don't care about your feelings, and success doesn't just land in your lap. When you say, I'll make it happen, no matter what, you're making a promise to yourself, a promise to put in the work. That means late nights studying charts, learning new strategies, and mastering your emotions. It's not glamorous, but it's the foundation of every profitable trader's story. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Success in Forex trading requires sacrifice. You can't have it all, at least not right away. To make it happen, you'll have to give up other things. Maybe it's skipping that Netflix binge to backtest your trading plan. Maybe it's saying no to a night out so you can study market trends. Or maybe it's waking up early while everyone else is still asleep, just to catch the London Open. These aren't easy choices, but they're the ones that separate dreamers from doers. Think about it like this. Every sacrifice you make is a deposit into your future. Imagine you're up late, the house is silent, and you're reviewing your trades. Your eyes are heavy, but you're still going because you know this is what it takes. That's you saying, I'll make it happen, no matter what. That's you putting in the work when no one else is watching. But it's not just about grinding nonstop. It's also about staying the course when things go wrong. Losses will happen. Every trader faces them. The difference is with this mindset, you don't quit. You analyze, you adapt, and you keep moving forward. Success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about pushing through it. So how do you make this mindset yours? Start by setting clear goals. Maybe it's hitting a certain profit target or mastering a new trading strategy. Then break it down into action steps. Commit to spending an hour a day on education or stick to your risk management rules no matter what. Back up your words with work, and those sacrifices, they'll start to feel less like losses and more like wins. Here's the bottom line. Forex traders, I'll make it happen, no matter what, isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a way of life. It's about deciding that your goals are worth the effort, worth the sacrifices, worth the late nights and early mornings. And when you live that out, there's nothing in the Forex market you can't conquer. So, are you ready to make it happen? Drop a comment below and tell me one sacrifice you're willing to make for your trading success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips to level up your Forex game. Until next time, keep working, keep sacrificing, and keep making it happen. See you in the next video.